Basic buttons part 2. The first one up is the replay button. On the screen you will see I have a sum 2 plus 8 take away 4. I press equals, 2 and 8 is 10, take away 4, my answer should be 6. Up comes 6 when I press the equals button. The replay button can be used to alter the question that you have up on the screen. So let's say we wanted to have typed in 12 plus 8 take away 4. I can press the left arrow on the replay button. This is the replay button here in the middle and the top in the blue circle. So if I keep pressing the left arrow button, it brings me over here in front of the 2, and then I can type in 1 in front of it to make 12. 12 and 8 is 20, take away 4 should now, when I press equals, give me 16. Press equals, up comes 16. So the replay button is very useful to make changes to a previous question. Even if you press the AC key and then you press the left arrow, it replays that last sum that you typed in. 12 plus 8 take away 4. So look at it again, press AC, left arrow recalls up and replays the last question that you had on the screen. Then you can use your delete key or go over with your replay left button to change what you want to do. The next key up, just press equals again, and that answer was 16. Now the answer key, that's what ANS stands for. Press AC. Now if I want to call back up the last answer that I had, I simply press ANS and then press equals, and up comes the last answer, 16. Press AC. Let's say I wanted to add on something to that last answer. Let's say my next sum was 12 added to the answer to the last question. So I can just say 12 plus the answer to the last question, and that was 16. So when I press equals here, I hope it gives me 28. Press equals, up comes 28. So you can use the answer button as part of another sum. Very useful if your answer again was a very long decimal. The next button up is the S to D key. The S to D key is used. S stands for standard format number, D stands for decimal. So if I type in 1 divided by 4, press equals, that's a quarter. That's in standard number form. But if I press the S to D button here, D stands for decimal, it will decimalize my fraction. Gives me 0.25. If I press it again, it brings me back to the standard number, which was a quarter. So it brings you over and back between standard format, that's the fraction, and the decimal 0.25.